YouTube, Dave here with Scene for a Links, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, I've got the most coolest unboxing to do. Is it a piece of tech? Is it a computer? Well, no, it's not. Is it a mobile phone? No, it's not. So what is it? Well, let me just move my computer to one side. Here it is, guys. What is it? Well, let's find out. It's big. It is big. Oh, Jesus. Maybe it doesn't need a knife. Okay. Oh, Lord. I can't actually get it out. This, guys, is back to front. This, guys, is the Dyson Lightcycle. This is an intelligent lamp. Yes, look at the size of it. Feel the weight of it. I mean, over-engineered to within an inch of its life, just pretty much like all Dyson products. But let's take a look. You have to forgive the lighting and everything. I'm in the process of just reorganizing some things as now I'm working from home. But in any case, hopefully I should get things set up properly very soon. Let's get these open. Pop that down, the size of this box, it weighs a ton. Right, let's see. Holy cow. So this is it, guys, and this requires some putting together. So I need to get all the pieces out. That is so heavy. I guess that's the stand. See how heavy that is? What else we got here? Power brick. I mean, this is very elaborate power brick. Pop that there. I've got to tell you, it's extraordinarily well packed, but I guess what else do you expect from Dyson? Gonna need the knife on that. Try not to lose any fingers in the process. God. Even the sellotape's engineered within an inch of its life. Right. This is the stand piece. I mean, this is like a piece of engineering in itself. Look at it. So let's get that opened up. So making a mess of the packaging, so I'll be keeping it. Dyson have got a 35-day no quibble money back guarantee, but I guess I don't think I'll be sending it back. So carefully cut this tape off. There's a lot of tape. We'll end up with lots of rubbish here. Anyway, that's that off. Don't need that. So, oh, there's another bit. Okay, let's get that bit off. It's always exciting getting something new that's not a piece of computer equipment. I don't actually know what this is. I think for once I may have to. Oh, look at this. Pretty cool. I think for once I'm going to have to read some instructions, but not yet. Let's keep going. What else is in the box? Okay. This is the arm with the actual lamp on it. So I can't say the last time I bought any Dyson equipment, I have to say. So that is the arm. It uses this copper heating, airing, whatever technology to kind of keep the light bulbs cool. Again, This isn't a full review. I will be back with a full review, but today this is just an unboxing. I think there's going to be too much to say about it. It's all branded up Dyson there, so you know, looks pretty cool. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to put this thing together and I should be back in a few seconds to show you what it looks like. So guys, here it is set up. What a piece of technology. You can move this up, down, spin it around. It's absolutely phenomenal piece of engineering. It's actually even got a USB-C port on it if you want to charge your stuff up, so I mean that's pretty handy. So like I said guys, it's an unboxing. It literally took 3 minutes to put it together. It's actually on now. You can see the light there. It's got touch controls which changes the temperature and the brightness of the light. Like I said, this isn't a full review. It's got loads of different modes on it. It's even got an accompanying Dyson Link application, and here you can set it to track the daylight. I've put the town in that I live in, and you know, it will track the daylight and keep the right temperature. It turns off when you walk away for 2 minutes. You know, you can put it into fully automatic mode, synchronization mode, or you can actually set it manually. But I'm going to go through all of that with you once I've played around with it. But for now guys, that was kind of like an unboxing, and yeah, I'm really impressed with the build quality and the way that it kind of moves and everything. So really happy. I'm going to be playing around with this for the next couple of days, and I shall bring you a review which goes through all of the settings, the Link application, and really letting you know whether this is actually worth having. So guys, that was the unboxing of the Dyson Lightcycle lamp for the desktop. They do a floor standing one as well. But thanks ever so much guys for watching. If you've got any comments or questions about this particular device, let me know in the comments section below. As I said, I'll be back in a few days once I've had a play around with it to show you the accompanying app, all the features and functions, and to let you know whether or not this lamp is actually worth buying. So guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks ever so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Bye for now.